Today we will discuss about an example of chemical change. Okay, yesterday I told you what is a chemical change and I had shown you a few activities to show its examples. Okay, today we will do one more example of chemical change. First of all, I am just telling you once again what is a chemical change. A chemical change is a change in which a new substance is formed. In chemical change, a new substance is formed. Common example is setting of curd, right? From milk we make curd. This is a chemical change because in this the chemical properties are getting changed. A new substance is getting formed. Okay, now let us do one more example, that is burning of magnesium ribbon. For this what you have to do, you have to take a burner. Okay, suppose I am having this candle. Okay, now we have to burn the magnesium ribbon. One precaution you have to take while burning the magnesium ribbon, we have to wear goggles or any kind of shades. We have to, okay? So now we have to burn the magnesium ribbon. Clear? Firstly, second precaution, this ribbon should be held with the help of a pair of tongs. Okay? Don't try to do this with your bare hands. Always just use a pair of tongs in order to burn. Okay? Now, when you burn the magnesium ribbon, suppose this is the magnesium ribbon. Here with a pair of tongs we are holding. Okay? Here we are holding with a pair of tongs and this is the magnesium ribbon. Clear? Now, before burning, third precaution that we have to take, we have to clean the magnesium ribbon with the sand paper. Okay? Clean it with the sand paper. Now, when you burn, suddenly there will be a white dazzling flame. There will be a white dazzling flame that could be harmful for our eyes. That's why I said while burning the magnesium ribbon we have to cover our eyes. Okay, and this experiment must be done by the teacher. You are not supposed to do it yourself. Okay, so when the magnesium ribbon will be burnt, you will see white dazzling flame will be formed and then there will be ash. There will be ash. Okay, ribbon will burnt with a white flame and ash will be produced. Okay, now this ash from the magnesium ribbon, this ash is getting formed, right? And this ash is a new substance. Its chemical formula is different as that of magnesium ribbon. Its chemical formula is different. Its chemical formula is different. So burning of magnesium ribbon is what kind of change? Yes, it is a chemical change. Now I'll write chemical equation for this change. Okay, what we are doing basically, magnesium ribbon is there. We are burning the magnesium ribbon. Burning means reaction with oxygen. Okay, whenever you burn something, it reacts with the oxygen, and in class 6 you had learnt oxygen is necessary for burning. So when you are burning the magnesium ribbon, it directly means it is getting reacted with the oxygen. Okay, so magnesium is reacting with the oxygen and it results in the formation of this ashna. It is having formula magnesium oxide. It is having chemical name magnesium oxide. Magnesium, its formula is Mg. M will be capital and G will be small. Mg. For oxygen, you know the formula. What is the formula? Yes, it is O2. And magnesium oxide is MgO. M will be capital, G will be small, O will be capital. Okay? So you can see these two are getting reacted and a new substance is getting formed. The new substance is having different chemical nature. You can see the formula is different. So the new substance is having different chemical properties. So what kind of change is this? Yes, this is a chemical change. Okay. Now what we have to do next? Collect this ash. What is the formula of this ash? Think. What is the formula of this ash? Yes, it is magnesium oxide. So in next step we have to collect this ash, or I can say we have to collect this magnesium oxide. So I had collected magnesium oxide. Okay. Now I will mix this magnesium oxide in water. I will mix this magnesium oxide in water. Now again you will see a new substance will be formed. A new substance will be formed. When you will mix this ash in water, a new substance will be formed. And the new substance is magnesium hydroxide. New substance is magnesium hydroxide. Now just tell me, mixing this ash in water is a physical change or a chemical change? Just think. A new substance is getting formed. So this is a chemical change. Okay. Now I am telling you the formulas. Formula of magnesium oxide, I told you it is MgO. M will be capital, G will be small, O will be capital. Okay. So magnesium oxide when mixed in water. Now what is the chemical formula of water? This you had also done. What is its formula? Yes, it is H2O. So when MgO is mixed with H2O, it results in the formation of magnesium hydroxide, right? And formula of magnesium hydroxide is MgOH twice. M will be capital, G will be small, then there will be bracket, O will be capital, H will be capital, then twice. MgOH twice. Okay. Now this MgOH twice is magnesium hydroxide. Now this is a base or acid. Think we had done in chapter 5. So I am telling you magnesium hydroxide is a base. Okay. We can also test it with the help of litmus solution. Take red litmus, put a few drops of magnesium hydroxide. What will happen? Red litmus will turn to blue. Red litmus will turn to blue. And if red litmus is turning to blue, it directly means it is a base. Okay. So this is an example of a chemical change, that is burning of magnesium ribbon. Thank you.